Hello everybody. Right now I'm actually located at Thingvellir. Thingvellir is a place with perhaps one of the oldest parliaments in the world. At least where people voted for what was about to go down. Anyways, I don't know much about the Icelandic parliament except that, you know, it started here. But I do know a lot more about musical instruments and stuff related to them. So, but since I was here, I just decided that I would, you know, just perhaps show you around. You can see, well, the parliament is actually now right here behind me. I'm quite far away from it, but it's a beautiful weather today, but it's a kind of, it's a bit windy. Hopefully my microphone doesn't pick it up too much. But today what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show you how I go about making the fingerboard for the ukulele. The reason why I'm doing so much of that right now is because I haven't had much time to do different things like fixing up my workshop. I will quite soon, I will be starting a video about my X-Carve machine, because I use it for making musical instruments and you need to do some changes to it to be able to use it as such. Because the machine, the way it's supposed to be built, can't handle very thick wood, so it can't do guitar bodies and such. But I made some changes to it which were cheap, and I might show it to you soon. So stick around and subscribe. You know, you're supposed to subscribe somewhere down there, and in the corner of my video you'll also see it's somewhere around here where you see subscribe, and if you hover over it with your mouse you can click subscribe, and then you'll find out when I post my video about the X-Carve machine. But right now I'm gonna go about showing you how to create a ukulele fingerboard.